Hello, the audience is in front of the screen, and we are now at 11C21. So we are now at the company of MATSUI Shanghai, right? Hello, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. So it's our pleasure to have you here. We have the short interview.
Okay.
So would you like to say something about your company to the customers briefly?
Matsui is an auxiliary equipment manufacturer dealing with every aspect of the plastics processing technology. And we are very glad that CHINAPLAS is now very active in spite of the coronavirus.
Yeah, a very good platform, right, for you?
Yeah. Right.
Okay, so I would like to ask that what kind of new technologies do you have for the exhibition this time?
Actually, behind us is the biggest feature of Matsui this year, IoT solution to be able to connect any device, any place, anytime.
Okay.
Right. As a matter of fact, we have 10 screens here today, all connected to 10 different companies. Out of 10, 8 of them are actually located in CHINAPLAS exhibition.
Oh, they are all here?
Yes.
Okay.
They demonstrate their products at their booth.
Okay.
And then such demonstration can be all monitored here.
All displayed here,
Right,
right?
right.
Okay.
And then even we have a company connecting their machine in Jiangsu province.
Ah, okay.
Another company in Germany.
Oh, the one there, right?
Right.
Okay.
So our solution, IoT solution, can be connected to anywhere in China or anywhere outside of China.
Yeah.
Right. And then it doesn't have to be our product, Matsui product. It can be products from any other supplier.
Okay.
Right.
So this is a part of the introduction of the new technology, right? And how about the future development trends of your company? Future development?
Right. Okay. We are auxiliary equipment manufacturer dealing with, say, all the plastic processing technology. Suppose if we have 100 of the things, injection molding machine or the main processing machine can handle 20% of the productivity or quality control.
20%?
The other 80% has to be controlled by other equipment or even the factory itself or utility, water, air, everything.
Electricity, maybe?
Electricity also, energy, right. So our solution is to be able to control the whole thing.
Okay.
Therefore, our technical target, we don't try to develop everything by ourselves.
Yeah.
We'll partnership with strategic partners outside alliance companies
Okay.
to be able to comprehensively provide the total solution to the customer.
So it's a very integrated solution, right?
Right.
Okay. So now we actually introduce the system here. So would you like to introduce some other parts to us, maybe other products or something?
Okay, let's move on to the other corner.
Okay.
Can I take you?
Okay, sure.
First stop. Okay. The hot subject in the market is lens molding
Oh, yeah? Lens molding, right?
for 5G mobility industry solution. Right.
Yeah.
Nowadays, of course, mobile phones
Yeah.
using a lot of cameras. Not only these, but the electric vehicle automotive is all automated, using a lot of sensors.
Yes.
Yes. So optical device is becoming more and more important.
Yes.
Therefore, plastics helps this industry to be able to be very, very helpful to human through lens and optical components.
Okay.
Right. In order to produce the optical component in fine plastic, the industry needs all kinds of different equipment to be able to dry the raw material without contamination or the yellowish defect,
Okay.
or the more temperature controller to manage the more temperature precisely. Right.
Okay.
By the way, I talked about IoT solution.
Yes.
Each product has a so-called QUIoT solution,
QUIoT.
quality up.
Okay. Quality
up.
one.
Right. So our solution is very simple and very effective.
Okay.
Okay. So here is one area, and then next area
The
is
red
medical.
one. Okay. I just follow you.
So because of coronavirus and everything, medical industry is getting more and more important.
Yes.
Right. So therefore, we get a lot of inquiry from the medical arena.
Yeah.
That's why we have very special products, most suitable for the medical market.
Okay.
And it requires the cleanness and the hygiene and all the precision control, everything. Again, each one can be connected to IoT.
Okay.
And then so-called
IoT.
quality of IoT can be done very simply and very effectively.
Yeah. Also a very integrated and also intelligent system, right?
Right.
Okay. So this is a part for the medical molding, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So
Okay. And then can I introduce you somebody from other
your company?
country?
Okay, sure. I just follow you.
Hi, こんにちは。
はい、こんにちは。英語でいい？Can I
英語でいいです
introduce you my friend from CHINAPLAS?
Hello, this is Cheryl from CHINAPLAS official live streaming. Nice to see you.
Nice to you, Cheryl. This is
Hello.
Sahara from MATSUI, Germany.
Right. So this is our small feature this time in CHINAPLAS. We have our counterpart from Germany
Okay.
live connected
Yes.
all the time during the exhibition.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Hi.
Hello. Yeah, we are in Germany, live from Germany, to introduce some of the key technology to produce this kind of the parts from Germany.
Okay.
Leonard, lighting for the Mercedes. Also, COVID, the test device.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is another way to demonstrate. I mentioned about the strategic alliance.
Yes.
I said Matsui is not trying to develop every single product by ourselves, but we partnership with the alliance. Here is one of the partners in Germany connected to our marketing development together.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, Satahara-san, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, pay attention and come and visit us.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, same to you. Bye.
Bye. Yeah, very vivid show demonstrated here. So, and also your friends from the other alliance are also very friendly and patient, right? And thank you for your introduction. So I think the audiences in front of the screen will be very interested in this. And we all know that for your introduction, we knew that we have one QUIoT, right?
Yes,
QIoT, a very integrated and also intelligent system to connect everything and getting the information together, right? So that's also a demonstration of Matsui company, because I know that we actually have a close connection with the Industry 4.0, right?
Right.
Future of the factory.
Exactly.
Yeah, so we are heading for the intelligence and also digitalization.
Yep.
Yes. Okay. So thank you for your introduction again.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Very much.
So for the online audiences or overseas audiences, if you are not able to come here by person, you can always look at our website or our live streaming platform. This is CHINAPLAS 2021. Thank you.